Starting to use spreadsheet. To understand the functionality of spreadsheet software, you should be familiar with its interface. The interface represents the way through which you can interact with the spreadsheet software. The spreadsheet's interface, like a word processor, a spreadsheet's interface consists of main documents, window and set of various tools of manipulate data in the document windows. The document is displaced in a spreadsheet. You actually work in a grid of rows and columns called a worksheet. Collection of related worksheets form a workbook. Spreadsheet software allows you to save the whole workbook containing several worksheets as a file. In addition to document window, the spreadsheet's interface contains menu bar, toolbars, and a formula bar. Formula bar is used to apply certain formulas on different cells of the worksheet. Unlike today's advanced spreadsheet programs, early spreadsheet programs provided only one worksheet at a time. The workbook could contain just one worksheet. New spreadsheets are created as 3D worksheets, which are like a pad of worksheets. It is due to this feature that the data in one worksheet can be used for calculations performed in another worksheet of the same or a different workbook. Entering data in a worksheet. Cell in the basic unit where the data is entered in a worksheet can take variety of the formula, text, numbers, dates, and formulas. The cells also can hold graphics, audio files, and video or animation files. There are two states of a cell, active and passive. Before entering data, and the cell must be activated using the mouse or arrow keys. You can select a cell to make it active. A bold rectangular border or arrow keys you can select indicates an active cell. Every cell in the worksheet has address. When a cell is selected, you can enter data by simply typing on the keyboard. You can also enter the data in an active cell through the formula bar. Similarly, you can edit the contents of a cell in the formula bar. When a cell containing a formula is activated, its formula appears in the formula bar, which you can edit there like word processor. The basic operations of cut, copy, and paste work in the same way. Here in worksheets, you can move data between the worksheets of the same or different workbooks by using these operations. Basics of worksheet. As it has been discussed that the data entered in a cell can take variety of forms, but the most common of these are labels, simple text, values, numbers, formulas. Labels are used to identify a value or a series of values. Labels are helpful in making the worksheet meaningful. It is important to note that formulas can be applied on values. These cannot be applied on labels. Values are just numbers that you enter in different cells of a worksheet. These values, including scientific notations, and can be whole numbers, decimals, negative numbers, currency, and other types of values, including science notations, scientific. Working with formula is the most powerful feature of a spreadsheet. Formula can be calculated on the basics of values or formulas in other cells. Formulas can involve basic arithmetic operators. More complex formulas can even evaluate logical conditions and perform certain calculations on the basis of the result of the evaluation. Conditions may evaluate to true or false. Cell reference and ranges. A cell reference tells formula to look up the contents of the reference cell. The increases the flexibility of the formula. The change in the content of the referenced